So Mania, what is the worst eye contact mistake any guy has made on a first date?
I think for me it would be when they creepily stare at me and they do not move their eyes from me. I think it's low-key very scary to me on the first date, and I would not meet that guy ever again.
So what were you were telling me about your trip?
Yeah.
How was your trip in Phuket?
It was good, yeah.
And those 3 days, did you explore the place?
We did not get the time to, but it was nice, yeah.
How nice was it? Like, did you explore the beach or were you doing some water
Beaches,
sports?
no, but majorly I say beach clubs he went, so
Yeah.
it was.
Okay, so I think that creepy eye contact comes from when you in your mind are thinking that, oh, I won the date, I won the prize, and finally I'm out with the girl, and you're just staring at her blankly, or maybe you copied something off the internet. तुम online गए, तुमने online देखा that you should maintain firm eye contact with the girl, and then you decide, okay, without any practice, I'm just gonna go and I'm just gonna maintain extremely firm eye contact with her. Then what happens is, you look at her like this, she feels that you're staring at her, and she feels really uncomfortable. Because firstly, you're not comfortable making that eye contact yourself. You have never practiced it in the mirror, you have never practiced it in a conversation, and you straight away doing it on a date. Or date pe karne pe, the girl feels uncomfortable because your emotions are getting transferred to her. So I just wanted to ask you, Manya, like when you're out on a first date and if a guy is just staring at your soul, looking deep into your eyes, what do you actually want? Do you not want him to look at you?
No, that's not exactly what I'm looking for. A guy with a weak eye contact who continuously looks away from me makes me even more weird or awkward. It is a sign of how underconfident he is, and I would not want to continue the conversation further.
So you were telling me about your trip, recent trip to Thailand. How was it?
It was good. Actually nice, yeah.
Okay. Where did you go?
Thailand.
No, I mean like, where in Thailand did you go? Like, where were you?
We
visiting?
went to Phuket.
Phuket.
Yeah.
Okay. So you were on the beach.
Yeah, I was on the beach.
And
yeah.
what did you have to do over there?
Nothing as such. We were going out, and we went to a club one day, and then the others we were mostly in the villa.
Oh, okay. That's nice. And see, bro, I think the problem lies when you don't practice your eye contact and you're just over there and the girl makes eye contact with you. You're really nervous. You try to break that eye contact. You try to break any tension that builds in that moment, whether it's a silence, whether it's eye contact. And that happens if you have less dating experience. That means if you've not been out on so many dates, I would recommend actually going out and practicing it. Rather than practicing it on dates, you can actually practice it with your own friends, with your peers, with your colleagues, in the mirror, in front of your own self. So it's always better to practice it and then go on the date, because if you're on the date and you don't maintain any eye contact, you're not going to make her feel anything. The eye contact is just there to make her feel certain emotions. She's going to feel wanted. She's going to feel that, okay, this guy is genuinely interested in knowing me. She's going to feel a lot of emotions just with the eye contact. So I wanted to ask you, what is the best way, according to you, that a guy can maintain eye contact on a first date?
I think the best way to maintain eye contact with a girl would be to look straight in her eyes, but your eyes should be extremely relaxed. It should not continuously stare at me, because that would actually make me very uncomfortable.
Yeah, so you were telling me about your trip to Thailand. How was that?
It was pretty good, yeah.
What was the best part about that trip?
I think you enjoy the Thailand nights most. The streets and everything, it was fun.
Did you go to some good clubs and bars over there?
Not exactly clubs. We went to that street which is very famous for.
I think it's like Patong Street, maybe?
Yeah, Patong Beach. Yeah.
Yeah. I was studying in Singapore, so like on weekends we would go to Thailand.
Oh yeah, from
Yeah.
Singapore it's very nearby.
Quite close by. So what was the best part of that trip? You know, when I was like, it's so weird. When I was 14 years old, 15, I went to Thailand with my parents.
Oh, and then you went to that street.
No.
That must be weird.
Even weirder. I went to a ping pong show.
Oh, that must be.
Imagine going there with your parents.
That must be very weird for you.
It was fun for me. Weird for them.
No.
So the problem over here is, अगर तुम पहली बार eye contact practice कर रहे हो और तुम forcefully eye contact कर रहे हो, the girl can actually feel that you're putting in a lot of effort to do it. But if your eyes are completely relaxed, if you're comfortable in your own skin, you're just maintaining straight eye contact and you're not maintaining it for a prolonged period of time. You're not just staring at her continuously. You're also removing your eyes sometimes. And you're then looking back into her eyes. That is going to give her a lot of emotions. And the more emotions she feels on the date, she's going to have a better experience overall. So if you want to know more about non-verbal communication, you want to work on your non-verbal communication so that you ace your first dates and make sure that she's interested to go out with you on a second date, all you need to do is click the pinned comment, schedule a call with my team, because we're going to break down exactly how we can enhance your personality, make you your most attractive version, and actually help you find the woman that you desire.